All right, guys, today we're going to be going over the volume area composite figures. Number 14 is yours. I'm pretty sure it gives it to you, so that was a gift. Number 15, though, is mine to show. So it says to find the volume of each composite figure. From finding the volume, I realized there's two pyramids. They both look like square-based pyramids. And the volume of a pyramid is base times height divided by 3. Well, let's start with the top pyramid. The top pyramid has a base of 5 and 4. So that's going to be 5 times 4 for my base. Multiply that to the height, which is 7. And then dividing all that by 3. Then we have the second pyramid down here. A second pyramid has the same base, 5 and 4. Using the same formula, based on height divided by 3. And as I said, this has the same base, 5 times 4. But the height is not 7 on this bottom one, it's 8. We're still going to divide all that by 3. So now this is going to be 5 times 4, which is 20. And 20 times 7, well, 2 times 7 is 14. So 20 times 7 is 140. Take 140 and divide it by 3. And let's see what we get. And 40 divided by 3 gives me 46.6 repeating. 46.6 repeating. And because this is area, we're talking about inches cubed. Over here, got 5 times 4, which is 20. 20 times 8, well, 2 times 8 is 16, so 20 times 8 is 160. And we're going to divide that by 3. Well, 160 divided by 3 gives us 53.3 repeating. Now we have to add these two together. Well, if I add them together, 6 and 3 make 9. Remember, this is to the nearest tenth. I got 6 plus 3, which is also going to be 9. And 5 plus 4, which is 9. Going to the nearest tenth, it says, sorry. Remember, this is going to be 6 repeating, 3 repeating. So if this is 9 repeating, then that'd be a 9. And if I rounded this up to the nearest tenth, I'd realize that's going to be a 0. So if that's a 0, this it's going to be 10. I'd have to carry 1 over here as well. So my answer is really going to be 100 inch cubed. Okay, and that's my answer for number 15. Number 17 says find the surface area of each composite figure rounded to the nearest tenth. This time we're not finding the volume, we're finding the surface area. Well, first we've got the surface area of what looks like a triangular prism. And the surface area of a triangular prism, well, that's going to be two triangles, right? So the first base is going to be 5 is the height, and 7, right? So that's 7 times 5 divided by 2. And then because there's two triangles, we're going to have to multiply that by 2. Well, that tells me I can get rid of the 2's. It's just going to be 5 times 7, which equals 35. That's the area of my two triangles. Okay. Now I have the rectangles. Well, this looks like, yeah, it's centered here. So that means this is going to be 6.1, which means this will probably be 6.1 as well. That's going to give me 6.1 from here to here times 6, which is here to here. So 6.1 times 6. And we have 2 of those, right? It's going to be 2 rectangles that are 6.1 times 6. Sorry. If I divide 6 by 2, actually I'm multiplying that by 2. I have to take that back. I'm sorry. I thought it was a half for a second there. This is going to be, well, let's just use our calculator. 2 times 6.1, 2 times 6.1, and then we're going to times it to 6. That's going to be 73.2. And that is the measure of 2 of the rectangles. Lastly, we have one rectangle down here, which is 7 by 6, right? So the last one, which is the base, wait a minute, well, it says the surface here. We're not going to have to wrap that bottom, are we? So we don't have to take that in consideration at all. So let's just erase that. But we do have to go ahead and find the area of the box down here. And we know that's going to be the formula 2 times length times width plus 2 times width times height plus 2 times, actually, let's see, length times width, so length times width. You know what? The last one's going to be height times length times height. But I just realized, again, we're not going to have to put any surface, we're not going to have to count the surface area of this top. So where length times width is, it will not be times 2, it'll just be times 1. So length times width is 7 times 6. We'll be adding that to 6 times 5, 2 times 6 times 5. There are 2 of those, and we're going to be adding that. So we've got 7 times 6, 6 times 5, and now we have to do 5 by 7. So 2 times 5 by 7. We got all the numbers or that we need. So 7 times 6 is 42. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 times 2 is 60. And 5 times 7 is 35. 35 times 2 is 70. And we're ready to add all our stuff together. Well, 70 plus 60 plus 42. Let's see, that's 2. And That's going to be 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 172 is the area of the box below. We have to take all the areas now and add them together. We got 172. We got 73.2. And we have 35. When I add all of these together, I see I have 2. Well, that's 8, 9, 10. That's 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15, and 15 plus 3 is 18. 8, carry the 1, that leaves me 2. And that means the surface area for number 17 is 280.2 centimeters square, because we're talking surface area. All right, and that is all of them that I'm required to do. You guys have the rest. I hope you have good luck today, and I will see you in class tomorrow.